Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase Has Themes Business Hour plugin for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will redirect here. Otherwise open your any browser and type for Bloggingify store and open our website. And here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins and lots of Has theme add-ons too. So if anything you need, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about Has theme business hour. So let me type HT and here you can see we have lots of Has theme add-ons here. Okay, so let me just click on this product and here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, updatability, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website. Temporary access with us and we will install your plugin with our original license key in a few minutes. That is a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive lifetime auto update on it. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name, your email address for invoices and other information, and choose your payment according to your card and country. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video, and thank you so much for watching this video.